In the realm of home buying, wisdom often suggests a thorough roof inspection. But consider a crucial point. Did your realtor pick the inspector? Remember, realtors have one aim: to close deals. It's their bread and butter. Imagine buying a used car. Would you trust the seller to inspect it? The answer is clear. The same logic applies to your prospective home. Take control. Choose your own inspector. Our area has qualified inspectors who charge a fee and therefore have no hidden agenda of selling you repair work. My advice: hire a licensed roof inspector, pay the fee. Let the inspection be conducted by a competent, experienced, and local professional whose sole objective is to provide an accurate, thorough inspection. They are not there to make a sale, they are there to do a job.